Hi guys, welcome back to FAM-Tastic5. So, we just got home from, what?
I went FAM-Tastic5.
That's two, we're not the FAM-Tastic2. FAM-Tastic, one more time. Welcome back to FAM-Tastic5. Okay, better. So we just got the kids from school, so now we...
I look like an egg.
Stop.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, so I am like in my, robe because all I'm wearing is like, like moo-moos basically because it's all that's comfortable. Shut up. We're going to do a really quick fridge clean out because our refrigerator is a mess. I don't know what's in there, what's good, what's bad, and what's gross. So we're going to do a quick fridge clean out. Yep. Right, sister?
I'm not your sister.
It was just a thing.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. You guys ready?
No. I'm just kidding.
Ready?
Okay.
Look at this.
Dun, dun,
Oh my gosh.
Can we just leave it like that? Will it fix itself?
Okay. Let's attempt this. Okay. So for starters...
Don't throw away those tinfoil balls.
Okay. The sour cream up here is good. We have like one lonely breadstick. I think this can go in the garbage. These are all juices. These are good. You want a yogurt, Millie? Here you go.
I do. Thank you.
Well, come over here and get it. Okay, this is like old as dirt.
Can I have a yogurt?
April, try.
Vanilla, please.
I don't use vanilla. Oh, sorry. Do you want strawberry or vanilla?
Strawberry. I'm waiting for my yogurt.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so Grandma left these in our. Are you okay?
I opened it with my mouth and I got yogurt on my face.
Oh God. So Grandma left these Cadbury cream egg cookies, limited edition, and we were totally afraid to eat them because we thought she'd yell at us. So we're just gonna like set these aside because I'm like do not want to get yelled at by Grandma.
She said that we can eat them, but I'm still afraid she's gonna
Change her forget because she can't remember squat and like. I'll be like, you just said that. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Nuh-uh. She's like she's a little, something's wrong with her. Okay. These are like some baked potatoes that look like they've had better days. So we're just gonna go ahead and toss that. I don't know what this is. Zico pineapple flavored coconut water. Is this yours?
No, but I want it.
Are you gonna drink it? I've never seen this in my
yes,
entire
that's the
life.
whole point of me keeping the bottle of water.
Okay, so this is old pizza. This is like from Saturday, so we're gonna toss that. Now, what are the thing with the foil balls? What are those? Oh my gosh, you can't even make the trash can.
The foil balls are my half avocados.
Oh. Okay.
And I just realized that there's another foil ball in.
Is my fluff.
Disgusting.
My fluff. Did you say disgusting?
I did.
It's not. It's amazing.
Fluff is disgusting.
No, it's not. Fluff consists of.
Disgusting fluff.
No.
Disgustingness fluff.
It's vanilla pudding mixed with Cool Whip, mixed with crushed pineapple, pecans, and coconut.
Gross.
That's it. We found another chicken somewhere, but it's a little bit old, so it's kind of dried out. We're gonna get rid of it.
Just found a whole chicken in there. No
It's
biggie.
like my salmon from the other day. I don't even know if that's still good. Green beans, and we're just gonna toss.
Green beans are not my favorite. What's your favorite vegetable?
Oh, I like asparagus.
Mm.
Okay, I need to food save this like really bad.
What is it?
It's my like
Explain.
giant thing of
Whoa.
ground beef. I kind of need, these are our tortillas. I kind of need to wipe it down because I think Gabby or somebody spilled some milk in here. And it's kind of
What?
nasty.
And you left Mom.
I just noticed it now that I'm talking.
Oh
I'm trying to get all this
my God.
stuff out of here. So I can clean it.
Can we?
See that nastiness? Yeah.
You stepped on my toe.
Sorry. Oh my God, and there's pepperonis hiding behind the milk. Look at that. That's funny.
So what are you doing? now.
Oh, I'm trying to clean out this milk that got
Okay.
all grody in here.
Grody?
Yeah.
That's not proper English.
Yes, it is.
Grody?
Yeah.
No.
Pretty sure it's a word.
I'm perplexed.
Pretty sure it's
at
a
your
word. Look it
grammar.
up.
I don't. What does perplexed
Ask
even
Siri.
mean? What is? Okay. Siri, what does perplexed mean?
As an adjective, it means completely baffled, very puzzled. Do you want to hear the remaining one?
No. Perplexed at your horrible grammar.
You had to look that word up. That's sad.
Because I'm in 12th grade, not Albert Einstein.
Seriously?
Is my name Albert Einstein? I don't think so. Am I a male with white, poofy hair and
Yeah.
a mustache? I don't think.
Yeah, she is.
That's. No. I consider myself a young woman. Although. I don't know.
Although what?
I don't want to graduate yet. I want to go back to kindergarten where the times are more simple and I can do my homework with crayons and not get yelled at.
Oh my god, something's wrong with you. What, Millie? You another yogurt?
What do you want,
Oh
Millie?
my goodness.
Millie, what do you want? Another yogurt? Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at those fancy pants. Let me see.
Okay, we got like 17 kinds of cheeses in
I'm
here.
talking about her pants.
You know what?
Ooh. Okay. Yes.
Oh,
Nana.
what is wrong with Adriana? Like, she laughs the weirdest. Ew, is this turkey even good? Gross.
The things we find.
Yeah.
You know what I'm excited for?
My salad.
Seriously, right in front of my salad.
Oh, no.
You never.
What are you excited for?
Well, the excitement's gone now. You answered too late.
Those tortillas, like, expired January 16th.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, that's a little gnarly.
Okay, that's a word. I am flabbergasted that you
Ew.
use correct grammar.
I don't even know how old these things are. Oh my
Okay.
god, these are squishy and gross.
Where are we on progress there, man?
We're doing pretty good. And you're talking to yourself. These are old. Toss those. Oh, dirty. Oh, gosh. Here, toss those. Okay. I think these the green beans are frozen, so we're good. We need to make those, like, ASAP, though.
What are they?
These, I think, are nast. Oh, no, these are so good. These are, zucchini. So we're good.
Ooh, I like zucchini.
The carrots do not look okay.
What is
Oh,
that?
those are just freezer. Oh, no, that's just ice. So they're okay.
Oh, I was like, that doesn't
Okay.
look okay.
So that was just a quick fridge clean out, guys. I literally got rid of just like stuff that's been in there for a really long time. Now I have room in my fridge. Look. See? It literally took 5 minutes. Just like a quick in and out, get everything that didn't need to be in there. Look at the bottom is so dirty. I need to clean that.
So look, there's 1 ball and 2 ball, and then I forgot I had the 1 ball in there, so I created another one.
Oh my another.
What'd you get, Millie?
A yogurt.
Yeah, yogurt, and you said you wanted another one?
No.
Oh,
That's not 3 in
my
a row,
goodness.
girlfriend. No.
You know what you have to eat now?
Dinner.
Eat dinner.
I eat to eat
Okay.
dinner.
No, I just need
Oh
to.
my god.
I know.
What is that on
got
the
a
floor?
vacuum.
Tilly, are you okay? Are you okay? No! Don't eat it!
Go away and don't eat it.
Ow! Nancy!
What was that face
I
for?
look lovely.
I am literally in like a moo-moo. Oh, there's Millie. Wait, I got someone else coming.
Nana.
Nana. Hi, Bugs.
Hello.
So my buggy had a headache. How's your head?
Good.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
My poor thing. My poor buggies. We are like winding down the evening. Of course, what do you think I made for dinner for them? Because that's all they wanted.
Chef.
Shells. As you all know, my kids love Velveeta shells. It is like their...
Except Gabby.
Yeah, Gabby doesn't like them, but Adriana and Melania are obsessed with Velveeta shells. You would live off of Velveeta shells if you could, right? Probably. Do you like shells so much?
And sushi. That's sushi.
Oh, should we show you?
Yeah.
Should we show you sushi? Okay, 1 second.
There's sushi.
Yep, there's Sush. She's sleeping. Okay, we move Millie. Let me see if I can see him. I can't see his face. There he is. There's my Sush. There's another animal this way. We just kick pan over. Tilly.
Mom, you. And don't forget the last
Oh, so Pua is in the, what is that called? Like the cat pod? Cat pod, window pod. That's like Pua's favorite place. When we first got it, she was terrified of it. Would not go near it. We tried to put her in it. She freaked out. And now they fight over it because that's like their favorite place in the world to be. Huh? She's always on her phone. Like, she never wants to like talk. She just wants
I'm
to sit on her phone.
talking to my best friend. Thank you very much. He's still having clothing problems.
Whatever. Nana, what are you doing, silly?
I have a Christmas sweater on.
Yeah, she has the Bruno Mars Christmas sweater on.
But guys, let's see my jump. So follow me.
Millie is silly. Look at you guys. I look crazy. Anyways, guys, we are gonna wrap up our video. This is gonna be the end of the video. I think we're gonna do a couple more cleanouts tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we'll probably do.
It's gonna be Nana's video.
The cabinets are like what I need to get to. Like
Nana's not gonna do
what?
Nana really wants to do her video.
Oh, her unboxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we may have to do a couple of unboxings tomorrow.
Yeah. Tonight too.
Oh my
and
goodness.
more mine and more Gabby's and more
Oh,
Nana's.
guys, stay tuned because I'm gonna do a prom vlog. Ooh.
I know Alyssa's prom is Friday, guys. So
it's in
you're
3
not
days.
3 days. You are not gonna want to miss. We will be vlogging
Mom,
all day, and then she'll vlog at prom, which will add to our daily vlog. Like crazy. I'm gonna vlog the whole experience because she gets her nails done early in the morning. So we're gonna vlog
At
that.
9 a.m. and it's all the way across town.
Look how sushi
Yeah,
again.
so we'll vlog that, and we're gonna vlog for when we all meet, when they get in, you know, taking pictures in their dresses, when everything. We will vlog the whole experience. So I'm so excited. I am probably gonna be sobbing, but you know, it's her senior prom, guys. Like I have a freaking senior. I can't believe it.
In less than a month, you have an 18-year-old kid.
Shut up! I don't want to talk about it.
I just realized that, man.
It's a bit. I don't want to talk about it. We're not talking about that right now.
Look at sushi's
Because then I'm gonna cry because I'm old and I can't believe I have an almost 18-year-old. We're not gonna talk about that right now. It's a bit. Say okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all of your support and likes and subscribes. We will see you tomorrow. Bye.